today we want to talk about the trend line and also the levels in the middle. So we want to put and understand what are these. So let's talk about first about the trend line. So if you look at the market, you will see all of the levels are not just horizontal. Even though we have the horizontal level, some levels have angle in the market. These levels are trend lines. But how you can draw a trend line in the market? If you look, the market give you these edges here. You can see some edges in the market. If you connect two of these, you will get a trend line easily. So if I connect these two here, you will see it will give me the third, the fourth point of the market. I just connected these two. So this is exactly what is the trend line. But we have different of trend lines. We need to pick a strong trend line that we be sure that it will work. So what is a good trend line exactly? A trend line that start momentum. So if you look at this trend line that I just draw, it start a momentum. Start a momentum. This is a sign that a trend line is strong enough, because whenever the market is at the trend line area, we are seeing a momentum started. This is the sign that telling us this trend line is strong enough. So in the third touch, we can always trust it, and 90% of the time, most of the time, it will give us a reversal. The next thing is the trend line stop a momentum also. You can see here, this is a red bearish momentum coming to this level. It stop it easily. This is a sign that this trend line is strong enough that even stop a momentum. So this is important for us. The next thing, the trend line give us a strong candle, a long and a strong candle. For example, like this candle here. You can see a very long candle, very a strong candle. But trend line only need have one of these, not all these three, four reason together. No, one of these is enough that you take that as a good trend line. So whenever you draw the trend line, and when the market come at that area and close at the area, close at your line, trend line, you can open your trade. Like on this situation here, you can see this candle here is at the trend line. So this candle here, you can see it is at the trend line with a rejection, close at your trend line. So sometimes maybe it touch and reject, but it will close far away like this. There is still a gap. So sometimes because the trend line maybe be very strong, directly the buyers enter, or sometimes it will fill the gap again and go and hit this line again. So we don't need on this situation trade here. Sometimes it will fill, sometimes it will reverse. Depends on how strong is trend line and what is the previous trend. It is a strong downtrend like here or not. So we will wait the market close exactly at our trend line, like this situation here. So there is a rejection, it closed exactly at the level. You can open your trade at least 1 minute higher option here. So for the reversal here, there are some reasons. Sometimes you are not sure. You will say, okay, this is a strong candle here. How I can be sure that the bars will enter? What is there any sign? Yes, there are some sign. Here you can see this is a strong bearish momentum. All are red candle, but in the middle, near to the trend line, what you are seeing? A bullish candle. This candle itself is a sign that buyers are showing interest. So this is very important thing for us. It's already telling us the buyers are showing interest, and you can see this candle now is at the level with a rejection. Rejection is another sign that buyers are showing interest. So with this reason, you can see this green candle in the middle of this momentum make it weak. So a momentum is very strong when all the candle are same color. Like here, on this situation, this is a strong momentum, but this green candle in the middle make it a weak momentum. And this rejection show us buyers interested. So you can easily, with this reason, and this is a good trend line, good level, you can easily open your trade. And you know the trend line is also uh, in the SNR level type. So you can see this is also a SNR. So there is no difference. So here you can see again, it is at the level, it work here and there is a bullish candle. Again, it is at the level, it work and there is a bullish candle. But can you trust the trend line forever? Of course not. It will not reverse the market. Eventually, at one point, it will break the trend line and it will change the trend also. When the breakout happening, as this is uptrend after the breakout, market start to going downward here, falling down. When you can understand the trend line, now there is a chance that breakout happen easily by understanding the higher high and lower lows. You know, the market in uptrend making higher high. So this is high. Again, you can see this is the higher high. Market come here because it made a higher high. It means still it's wanna stay in the uptrend. So the chance that this reversal happen and continue to go up, it is too high. So see, because it made higher high. But here what happened? Instead of making higher high, we are seeing market wasn't able to make it here. What happened? Breakout happened. So whenever market stop making higher high, this is a sign for you that it wanna break the trend line. And mostly it will happen. You can see easily like this because it was unable to make higher high. So if this happen, market go up again, make a higher high, and then again come back. Here again, easily you can trust and place your trade a higher option. So be aware about how the market is coming. Sometimes you have a trendline market do this. It reverse here again at the same level without making a higher high, making an M pattern, and you will see it going to break it easily because of M pattern, because it couldn't make a higher high. So these details are important in trading with the trend line. Look at how the market is coming to this trend line. It's coming with this M pattern, or it made a higher high again like this, and it is coming back. So this is the safe thing here. You can place your trade easily. But if it unable to make a higher high on this example, or if it go and coming with the pattern like M pattern or the head and shoulder pattern like this, sometimes like this, a head and shoulder pattern, these are the patterns that telling you this uptrend is going to die and downtrend wanna start. So this is the sign that market want to break the trend line, right? Because when we can say this uptrend here is done, that market broke this trend line. So this is very, very important point.